What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. Listen, today we got a special episode. I got my sis here, and of course I got the taste master. Today we gonna do what we gonna do. It's gonna be a smoked peach cobbler. It's gonna be my sister's recipe. All right. But so we gonna smoke some, and today I'm not even gonna ask him.
No, don't.
I'm gonna ask you what we want to drink. But first, we got a sponsor. What's the sponsor for the day?
All right, the sponsor for the day is Word Brothers Barbecue, where every now and then you gotta get something sweet before you eat our meat. So today we doing a dessert. We doing a smoked dessert, peach cobbler.
Well, you gonna get something sweet before you eat our meat. Right? So since I don't, usually it's the taste master's job to pick out what you want to sip, but we've been sipping these for a minute. And we got the Old Forester Prohibition style. It's 115 proof. And then we got the Dickel bottled in bond that made him frown up. So
sad.
you tell me which one you want to do before we get into your peach cobbler on the smoke.
Sounds good. You know I'm a sucker for a good bourbon and whiskey. I think I'm going to have to stick with that.
I'm going to need you to speak
Forester. Oh, I'm sorry. In case you didn't hear me, I am a pure sucker for bourbon and whiskey. So I think we're going to have to do some Old Forester for today.
Okay. You good with the Old Forester?
Can you
Man, that's my bonus check.
This was his bonus check.
You going to frown up?
He might.
Okay.
I might.
So I'm going to pour it up for you. Him.
Think kindly.
One for you.
I think probably since I was previously drinking, I think I got a sponsorship thing backwards.
Probably.
Well, what's how you say it?
I was actually supposed to go, I think was, after you eat our meat, you might want something sweet.
That makes sense. That makes a lot more sense.
Well, it don't matter. Either you gonna want something sweet before or after you eat this meat. You gotta toast for him, sis, before you show him your peach cobbler. The peach cobbler. No.
Bless the food, bless the meat. Let's drink this up.
That's what we can eat.
So we can eat. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Mm-hmm. All right, let's get on into it.
That's nice.
Trying to tell you.
All right, y'all ready for this?
What we gonna do?
All right, guys. So I had to come out here and show my bros up a little bit. Baking is my forte. I said it.
I'm gonna have to talk to you like Brother Fitzgerald used to talk to us when we was in Sunday school. Speak a little louder, please.
You heard me. I said it. I had to show my brothers up a little bit because they think they can do it. They barbecue. They do not bake, y'all. So I'm gonna have to help them out and show them what we do. And show you what the word women do when we are baking. So we're gonna do this smoked peach cobbler.
Okay, but let's do it fast then.
So depending on how many people you are serving,
tell me what to do.
If that's already open, we're gonna open up our can.
All right.
So we have the large can. Depending on how many people you want to feed.
Man, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, tearing it up already.
Yep, tearing it up. That's what
I by 9 by 11 dish, deep dish.
I just lifted it up for you. Okay, so what we gonna do?
So I've already pre-rolled. You can either make your own crust or you can get your pre-rolled sheets of dough. I've already pre-rolled one out. It's already sitting in my pan waiting. Yes, so we're gonna go ahead and pour the whole can, all the juice. Hey.
Pick the.
I need you to get no, brother. You need to get down a little bit further.
He need to get in the weight room because he can't even lift no can.
There you go. So you got to help them out a little bit because they don't know what they tear up and mess up.
Out of bake. That's why I got sis out here. Okay.
Making my juice come off. So you got your whole can. You got all your juice.
Yep.
You want to keep all of that juice. If you're doing one big enough, then you can have another can. Just use the peaches. Juicy. Reserve your juice on the side because later on you can make you a little extra juice to go over top. So we're gonna do a cup of sugar. Go ahead and pour that in for me. If somebody
do you need to be stirring it?
I do. I need me a spoon, please.
Got you right, him.
Thank you so kindly. We're going to do a 4th cup of brown sugar. Now, mind you guys, this is to your taste and to your liking. I'm just telling you how I do it. I don't want to send anybody to the hospital, but I do want it to be kind of sweet.
Well, if it ain't sweet, if they ain't in no diabetic coma, then
It's
it
not
ain't
right. I think you've heard it. So you're going to
you-
give that a
you-
big stir. Trust me, this is going to be good. Sweet. It's already in heavy syrup. So we're going to give this a great big stir.
Yeah, you doing it.
Oh, yeah. So after you get through doing this, you have your, we did a tablespoon of cinnamon. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in. Cinnamon's already right here, bro. You can go ahead.
That's nutmeg.
That's not nutmeg. That's my cinnamon.
Okay.
That's my cinnamon. I
Alright.
did that earlier. You see what I'm talking about? They think they know what they're talking. It's my cinnamon. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
That is cinnamon.
Let it be wrong.
Do you smell that good cinnamon flavor? What you gonna do?
Let it be
You
wrong.
smell that good cinnamon?
Yeah, I smell it.
So what'd I say? It was
You said it was cinnamon.
There you go. So you're gonna give that a good stir. Make sure it's mixed in. You gotta incorporate it in really well,
I
right?
see you. I see what you're doing here.
Now, I love allspice. I love nutmeg. They can get overpowering, so you want to be really careful when you are putting these in. So I don't measure those. I give those some dabs and some shakes to my liking.
Okay.
So I'm gonna need you to go ahead. I'm gonna need you to give me some dabs. No.
Not that?
Not that. No.
Not that.
Not that. That's right.
Yeah.
Good job. There it is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to give me some little sprinkles on in there. I'm gonna tell you that. Look, maybe one more. Okay, that's good.
Mhm.
And I need maybe like 2 of those of the nutmeg, possibly 3.
All right.
Don't overpower your nutmeg, guys.
Gotcha.
But, oh, one more. Okay. Don't go overboard now. Don't do it. Stir this up real good.
I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give that a good old stir, right?
I'm right here with you.
If you want to get a little extra, I like cardamom. I like ginger in mine. You can also add a little ginger, little cardamom. Y'all gotta get on these
What is
things.
cardamom?
Cardamom has a wonderful flavor. It's very
It's not a
aromatic.
sweater. If that's
It's not cashmere, and it's not a sweater. Please don't get that twisted. Guys, look up with cardamom. It's a very nice spice.
You got
And
one
it
girl.
is.
You think that's a sweater?
Right?
Come
Okay,
on.
so everything is all stirred in. I need my. Don't forget your
Oh, that
vanilla.
was a good one, man.
You can get your
Oh,
vanilla.
I got you.
I need a tablespoon and a half of vanilla, please.
Tablespoon and a half.
Yeah, you gotta open that up.
I'm gonna open it up.
Okay. Can you get it? You need some help?
No, I got it. I
You
know
sure?
it's good. Yeah, I got
Okay, I mean, you gotta help these guys out sometimes.
it. Tablespoon
That's
and
the
a half.
that's the tablespoon.
Yeah.
Get over my stuff.
Don't worry about it. I got you.
Keep
sis.
going. Keep going. Right there, pour. There we go.
They got a
Now
half
you
spoon
see?
on there, man.
I don't need a half spoon.
Yes,
Listen,
sir.
man. She don't trust me, but I know how to eyeball stuff. Okay.
You don't know
Come
how
on,
to
sis.
y'all.
Come on. I'm gonna do it your way.
You better. Now give me my half. Thank you kindly. Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Y'all, you gotta watch these men, because they'll have your stuff jacked up, tasting a hot mess. Here, give this a good stir.
Give it a good start.
Yes, sir. So you got all your bases, so now you ready for the little extra?
Yeah. I'm gonna put a little something in.
Yes, right. So
'Cause
we
they
got a
ready.
little something to put in
use
there.
the dickle. Don't use the prohibition. That's prohibition is special occasion.
Use, guys,
I can use them
use
both.
whatever bourbon you like. But
Whatever
we're
bourbon you like.
We're gonna do this.
Some of y'all might use LTD, lab $2. Yeah.
This
Spice
is
rum is fine too, guys. It adds a little extra
Now see, this is a little fun. We having a little fun today because Sis is here. We gonna use a little bit of this. You know what I mean? He want dickle, so we gonna use dickle.
I'm kind of mad about
Alright.
that dickle.
Now, for this, I mean, you could go tablespoons, but you want that good bourbon flavor, so I would go about a
We
good
just gonna
fourth
free
of
pour.
a cup. I'm gonna tell him when, because he don't want to go too crazy. Bitch mo. All right, bro. There we go. That was about a fourth. Oh, that was over a little fourth. So you just be real careful, guys. Don't worry, it does cook off on the stove.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Cause
So we gonna
you
start
and I
this
got
up
the
really
boxes
good.
already giving us the countdown.
All right. So the last thing we're gonna do to bind everything together and thicken it up, we're gonna add our cornstarch, right?
Yeah.
So we got our 3 tablespoons of cornstarch right here. Dump that in, bro. Now, mind you, I would typically be doing this over the stove already, so that heat is going ahead and it's getting it simmering and it's binding it all. But don't worry, everything will come together once we get this on the stove, get it heated up. While you're doing that, go ahead and preheat your ovens to 375. So then that way you're
or your smoker.
Or your smoker.
Well,
I'm just saying, if they got smoking
the
it.
shot got her. She talking about the oven.
In
man.
case you're not smoking it, you're going to do 375 on your oven. But I did. We are smoking this, so we don't have to worry about that. Thank goodness.
375 on the smoker, and we gonna run that for about an hour, alright? I gotta tell her how to do things on the outside.
That's not my thing.
Doing things on
In
the inside.
That's right.
So we gonna run this on the Masterbuilt 1050 at 375 for an hour. Alright?
First, you gotta boil it.
Yep.
All right.
We're gonna put this on the
So
stove.
we're
We're gonna
gonna
get this simmering.
Yep.
You'll know it's good and simmered once it starts to thicken up and everything is soft and all those flavors bind in together. I would probably leave it on to simmer for about 30 minutes or so, and after that, you'll be ready to pour everything in. Put your last top on. My top is already rolled out. So once we do that, I'm gonna assemble it. If you want to do strips, you can do a lattice strip and put it across the top. If not, like me, I'm just gonna put the whole top
Lattice
on.
like a fence.
Lattice, like, look at you. He knows a little something. Just a little bit.
I'm
Lattice
just glad
like a
he
fence.
didn't say lettuce like iceberg lettuce. I'm glad he didn't
Guys,
say
lattice.
I'm making
It's
lettuce.
Ooh.
It's lattice. So we're gonna put the top, put you a few holes in top so that air and that circulation gets through.
Mhm.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this on the stove to simmer.
And we'll catch you back later with barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers and my sister today. All right? Make sure you subscribe, comment, like to the channel. This is a dessert that you can do. Check if you haven't seen the Bananas Fosters, check that out. Now we're doing a peach cobbler, bourbon peach cobbler.
Yep.
So
And
make
like
sure,
I said earlier, after you eat our meat,
you're
gotta
gonna
want something sweet.
We'll catch you later. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers
And the
and
sister.
my sister. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Barbecue, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brother.
And sister.
Yeah, and don't worry about my palm right here, all right?
Yeah, we
The
gotta
palm,
acknowledge the palm though.
Yeah.
This thing is gorgeous.
yeah, it is.
So pretty.
All right, so what you've seen earlier is what we done for the smoked peach cobbler. Then we're about to get it on the smoker.
My smoker.
Yeah, now see, she's used to doing it in the oven
Hey.
or whatnot.
Domestic.
But we gonna do it on the smoker tonight. I got this thing dialed in
Switching it up.
at about 350, and is it 350 or what is it?
So inside, if you do it on the oven, 375, but smoking it 350, just let it go a little long.
We
About
gonna
maybe
smoke it.
15, 20 minutes over.
Yeah, we're gonna smoke it between 350 and 375.
Mm-hmm.
But we're gonna eyeball this thing and make sure it's right.
That's
For
right.
y'all, okay? So we're about to get it on here. Come on, sis, let's get it on here.
All right, let's do this.
I'ma lift it up,
I'm gonna set it right here.
set it down there, and I'ma hold it for you while you get it on there.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ooh, she careful with it too, you
Gotta
see
be
it?
careful, guys. Gotta be careful.
Right in the middle.
In that center.
Right
Ooh,
in the
that's
center
nice.
of the smoker.
That's nice.
That thing is looking pretty right there. I don't know if you can see it out. Let me get a little light so they can see it out. Look at here. This thing is looking pretty right here. We're gonna set it in the center of the smoker, like you said. And we're gonna set it right there, and I'm gonna close it down. Oh, Masterbuilt 1050. You see, Masterbuilt 1050, Team Masterbuilt, or Team. We got a whole lot of teams because we do Team Traeger, Team Masterbuilt, Team Char Grill,
Yeah, yep.
Team Old Smoky.
Yes, Old Smoky is the one, y'all.
Yeah,
Carries
Team
through a lot.
everything. This is
That's
what we
right.
do. So make sure you continue to watch, and we're gonna show you what this thing do at 350. All right, smoked peach cobbler, smoked bourbon.
Oh, folks, please get it right. Smoked bourbon peach cobbler.
Yeah, with the Word Brothers and
Sister.
Heartbeat of One's Destiny. All right. Word Brothers Barbecue. We'll catch you in a second. All right. Peace.
Welcome back to BbqBourbon Bourbon and Blues. We are now about to grab the peach cobbler off the smoker and see what it's looking like.
Yeah.
You need some help? You good? You know what you're doing?
Nah, he
Yeah, we probably gonna need.
Oh no. You
probably
want
gonna
to
need
get it off?
a little bit of help
Move. You
before
want to get it off?
somebody end up like Al Green.
He gonna be him.
Don't mess my masterpiece up. Don't poke any holes in it. Slide with ease. There you go. There you go.
Ooh, look at the lettuce.
I know, y'all.
Ain't no lettuce.
That
That
lattice
lettuce.
is on there. That lattice came through. Very nice. Bubbling. Golden brown. Look at that caramelized color. Y'all.
Whee!
Yes.
Iceberg.
You and me get it? I feel like I should carry it. That should make me
Romaine.
so nervous. Oh yeah. That's it, guys.
All right, we got that smoked peach cobbler coming off. It's looking pretty good. Can't wait to dig into it. All right, don't
Make
forget
sure you even
to
that out, buddy. There you
don't
go.
forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we're about to dig into this peach cobbler and have a good night.
Guys, have a good one.
All right, catch y'all next week.
All right. Let me help you out
BbqBourbon
with that.
Bourbon and Blues.
With the Word Brothers
And sister.
on the